Get ready for the dictation at the rate of 50 words per minute. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. I feel that distrust between peoples can be removed if we try to understand the problems of others. These problems are, in my opinion, more economic in nature because we find, on the one hand, there is poverty, and on the other hand, there is wealth and waste. This unequal distribution of wealth leads to tensions. Therefore, if we remove poverty, the solution will be easy. For this purpose, there must be willing cooperation between the developed and underdeveloped countries. We in India are now engaged in the mighty task of raising the standard of living of our masses. This is mainly our own responsibility, but any help coming from other countries will ease our burden. At the same time, we must remember that the rich people among us should share their wealth with the poorer sections of our society. Without doing so, how can we have the moral right to ask the richer nations to share their prosperity with us? To Messrs. the Nagarjuna Tourist Travels Limited, Hyderabad. Dear sirs, having come to understand that you are considering the purchase of a few motor cars and vans for your organization, we would like to bring to your notice that we are the agents for the well-known models of cars and vans such as Ambassador, Premier, Fiat, etc. Trial runs can be given on any of these vehicles free of charge at any time convenient to you. At the same time, we wish to point out the advantages which you can get if you purchase your requirements from a large firm like ours. In the first place, the drivers under your employment will be taught to drive and instructed in the general mechanism of the vehicles entirely free of charge. Secondly, as we have a big workshop, also you will get the benefit of our experience in keeping the cars and vans in good running condition. Thirdly, we give you free delivery at your premises, and we also give the special attention of our staff to such of the customers who make their purchases through us. We may also mention that we have contracts for early deliveries of the different types of vehicles covered by our agency, and our representative will have great pleasure in calling you in a few days to know your actual requirements, and we shall be glad to submit a few quotations thereafter. Yours faithfully, Stop.